Hello, little friends! Today we'll learn about classroom objects. Let's explore our classroom together.
This is a book. We read and learn from books.
This is a pencil. We use it to write and draw. These are crayons. We use them to color pictures. This is a ruler. We use it to measure and draw straight lines. This is an eraser. It removes pencil mistakes. This is a school bag. It carries our school supplies. These are scissors. We use them to cut paper safely. This is a marker. It writes on the whiteboard. This is a whiteboard. Teachers use it to teach. These are a desk and a chair. We sit here to learn. Fantastic! You learned many classroom objects today. See you next time!